That is the Hajj. Hajj, the Hujjaj are going, there will be ihram, that simplicity, there will be goodness, but at the same time it's not such an easy journey. The heat on one hand, to fulfill with such numbers on the other hand, to do it correctly. My brothers, my sisters, all of that put together, always ask yourself and remind yourself, this is Ibrahim alayhi salam, and then Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. These are the sacrifices of those who were chosen by Allah. You would like to be chosen in a different way by Allah? Learn to sacrifice for the sake of Allah. Don't become despondent. Small thing happened in your life. You lost a loved one. Yes, it's a very big challenge. It's a huge test for you. But guess what? That's the sunnah of Allah. It's the way of Allah. It's the plan of Allah. The other week we spoke about preparing for loss. And guess what? Today we are telling you, if you have lost someone, well, there are people better than you and I who have lost more than you and I in terms not only of loved ones but other things as well. And they were grateful to Allah. They moved on towards Allah in such a beautiful way. You know, when you go to the graveyard, what's the dua? The sunnah is Assalamu alaikum ahlad diyari min al-mu'minina wal-muslimin. Peace be upon you, those who are here in these graves from among the believers and the submitters. Wa inna insha'Allahu bikum lalahiquna. That's the dua. We, all of us who are standing here greeting you, insha'Allah. That's what you are saying. We will be joining you soon. Allahu Akbar. Have you thought that's the dua? What are you saying? We will be joining you soon. May Allah make it easy for us the day we go. We are a few weeks away from the Hajj. The Hajj is a fifth pillar of Islam. It is incumbent upon those who can afford the journey, who can manage it in terms of health, and who have permission from authority to visit the Holy Lands. That is called istita'ah, the overall ability. It's not only about finances, it also has to do with your health and whether you are actually able to go. And it also has to do with whether or not you have the permission to be there by authority in that particular land. If you have all of that, you would then be one of those whom it is incumbent upon. If you delay it unnecessarily, you would be sinful. May Allah make it easy for all the Hujjaj, all those who are planning to go, all those who shall be going for the Hajj. May Allah make it easy for them and accept it from them. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers, my sisters, Hajj is the fifth pillar of Islam. It is mentioned in the Quran in several places, and Allah Almighty has prescribed